What's up, YouTube? Part two or part three of the tool haul coming in here. Got to do this kind of quick so I can get into work. These are the Lisle radiator hose pick, 2-piece. It's like a spoon style. There's a part number for you. Got some nice length on them. I figured those would work real well instead of trying to damage hoses. Good old CP recommended the relay pliers. So, huge shout out to him. And then, oh yeah, these, let me get the camera focus, Titan 8-inch end cutting pliers. So that's it for this part. I do have a delivery that's coming in later on today that'll be added to this video. So check back soon. Now with the final tool haul, well, part 3 anyway, because the other set is not here yet. But we did get a new little thing, and let me show you. Yes, that is the Titan 1/4-inch ratchet. So with that, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, keep it on the track.